Okay, oh, they play am. No be small thing. If I tell them for this yam, see on the 6 almost 10 euro 95 cents for this small yam. Now me can like to be say if I just carry load come from Nigeria, I just tell my mom, my dad, make they put yam for me because how you take the buy yam for you? You really claim the how many yam you say we carry come from Africa? You really claim am. I'm small thing. I say it's actually. I said I buy yam because yesterday na Sunday. I said okay, been on Sunday. I said yes, na Sunday na buy yam. I come cook am yesterday maybe on Monday. You know say I school know this is then and the thing they confuse person tell me. Then I say it's actually no. No man, I be say na traditional man. I be say I put for house, no be small thing. No be small thing. I can't do. I can say okay, make a plan as to the pin normal way now. He said no. I said okay, no problem. Why you want to make that one like this? I said okay, no need to ask again because based on say who I be Edo particular Edo babe. You understand? Because I know all these things. All this time, our parents always they eat. Yeah, I'm like this. Maybe say you know go peel. You know every peel at all. They know the plan at all. You say okay, just do like this. You get beneath the talk and go say no like balik as in baby. And so they call on that time. You just peel and put some for pot. They'll say pot na we go cut and put for inside. We go put a plantain leaf take cover am. I say okay, no problem. Me I don't. I be Edo babe. I know all these things now. I go say okay, make a peel as to the pin normal way now. He said no. I say okay. No problem. Why you want to make that one like this? And I say okay, no need to ask again because based on say who I be Edo particular Edo babe. You understand? Because I know all these things. All this time, our parents always they eat. Yeah, I'm like this. Maybe say you know go peel. You know every peel at all. They know the plan, so you say okay, just do like this. You get beneath the talk and go say no like balik as in baby. And so they call on that time. You just peel and put some for pot. They'll say pot na we go cut and put for inside. We go put a plantain leaf take cover am. And say okay, no problem. Me I be Edo babe. I know all these things now. Picking me say grow for family house. Now I be. No need to panic or that kind of thing. So exactly you know I can plan. Quick man just say the plan they go. I can't be say this yam good. This yam good. You know your spoil because before let me go buy this yam. I'll tell the person they sell and say that okay, you need to cut off from you. Use knife cut am because the last time they say I buy yam before, as I carry yam reach, I say quick imagine. Yam just rotty for inside. It come be like a gyo as in guy DB. That place now I go tell am say oga abeg change this yam. I don't want. I can't go give am the yam. You can't give me another one. You can't give me another one. Because you know say I be customer. If another person, they don't go try am. Can't give me another one. Say give me another one. Say just the cut am with knife make this yam. Because this make am. If you see me go buy this one, I for tell am say cut am because when me go buy am, I'm gonna go buy am. You understand? Because see the reason be say I don't like to carry carton of yam people for us. Now this kind of thing, let me cannot like am. Because if you go buy yam now, forget for the same yam of cartons. Now you can say na roti yam you carry come house. I better you dey buy yam once in a while. So once in a while. Now I see they eat am sometimes. You see all the other yam now. How they show na the one be say waste come out, not be small thing. You want me waste come out, not be small thing. Because when I use net take cut every time go say you know reach the rest. Then I go need to pour water. You know see this one I want to use net take cut am because don't me say I every cook not see con dey again sef. Then I go need to pour water, put salt, take wash all the sand be say dey. I go need to wash am. You understand? Because you know if you con dey cook am like this inside, it can be like a gyo as in that DB. That place now go tell am say oga abeg change this yam. I don't want. I can't go give am the yam. You can't give me another one. You can't give me another one. Because you know say I be customer. If another person, they don't go try am. Can't give me another one. Say give me another one. Say just the cut am with knife make this yam. Because this make am. If you see me go buy this one, I for tell am say cut am because when me go buy am, I'm gonna go buy am. You understand? Because see the reason be say I don't like to carry carton of yam people for us. Now this kind of thing, let me cannot like am. Because if you go buy yam now, forget for the same yam of cartons. Now you can say na roti yam you carry come house. I better you dey buy yam once in a while. Once in a while. Now I see they eat am sometimes. You see all the other yam now. How they show na the one be say waste come out, not be small thing. You want me waste for money, not be small thing. Because when I use net take cut every time go say you know reach the rest. Then I go need to pour water. You know see this one I want to use net take cut am because don't me say I every cook not see con dey again sef. Then I go need to pour water, put salt, take wash all the sand be say dey. I go need to wash am. You understand? Because you know if you con dey cook am like this, say you con dey eat am sand. No, they don't teach us like that. That time we say we see dey house, then they see they teach us okay, say you go take do this kind of. You go there sometimes and just make your guy or your husband just do something like traditional way for them. You understand? Everybody can everybody steal for your side. You know say after I don't wash am with salt, I can't pour water. Because me, picking me say the cook for house where now I just be. Picking me say the triple for house, picking me say the trip say you know reach the rest. Then I go need to pour water. You know, see this one. I want to use knife to take cut am because when me cause say I go every cook, not see con dey there again sef. Then I go need to pour water, put salt, take wash all the sand. Maybe say e dey. I go need to wash am. You understand? Because you know if you con dey cook am like this, me say you con dey eat am sand. No, they don't teach us like that. That time we say we see dey house, then they see the teach us say okay, say you go take do this kind yam. E good then sometimes just to make your guy or your husband just see dey proud, do something like traditional way for them. You understand? Everybody get everybody steal for your side. You know say and after I don't wash am with salt, I can't pour water. Because me picking me say the your cocoa for house where now I just be. Picking me say the triple for house, picking me say the your triple for house and now I just be. You understand? You know say I cut the do one because I know all these things before because this kind of thing they do so I don't first do one for my grandpapa and my grandpapa don't do one for our present then. You understand? You know say that time for village now, if you dey go village, see the one me say I can't waste come out. Not be small till you can't see am. See the one me say I waste come out. If you're in Nigeria just now, before you sing yam, I said that time say me with the Nigeria for my grandpa side. I know they buy yam because we get a lot of workers. People say they work for us or our farm. You understand? We get a lot of workers. If you see our yam band, ala efo. If you see yam, oh yeah, you see yam, e big. You understand? See yam, me I buy for you, e just spoil. You understand? Ah, God, not be small too. I can't need to clean where I for cook. I can't need to clean her because it's always good so that your kitchen will still dey neat, it will still dey gain, will still dey shine no matter what, so that your kitchen no dey irritate you. Because me, I dey like kitchen. If your kitchen dey neat, I'll fit enter your kitchen, drink water, eat as I like. But if your kitchen dey mege, oh God, you know say before I go comot for that place, I no go drink one water. And this one be say after my oga don return back home, cause he go see a friend. I've noticed her mind dey be now, dey sit down for house like that. I said, okay, as you take come back, I can't put on the thing, see the hot. As I see the hot, they can't put I no get hand glove. On a hand glove, now they call am big guantes. And then we they call am guantes for here. English they call am hand glove. We no get a couple nylon for hand. Because this nylon always they buy and put for her. Maybe a case of anytime you say I want to do meme or anything at all. And so I take buy this kind nylon. Now carton I they carry and sometimes I'll buy am 5 put for us. Then I go carry for inside the yeah, carry the yam come out. Now so why you that time they do one for our present. You understand? It is good to me say you learn things. So not be say some people me say they don't learn anything. They don't learn anything come on for us. Do you see? Now so I quote the binaural. Benin they call am binaural. In English they call am shaving and be slicing the skin. Now so I quote put the yam for tray and I come slice and come slice the this thing. Some people say now laziness that make you dey peel your yam sometimes. I'm not talking. Because this that time then village, if you want roast yam or one cook yam, so they do on that time. See the guy here, maybe say I cook that day now oga and me oga wanted to follow up. You see how they gain, I be flat and